What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Toronto, Canada.
Can I ask how old you are?
Sure, I just turned 28.
What do you do?
I run my own business.
Are you married?
No, but I'm in a relationship.
Why are you studying English?
So I can communicate when I travel.
How did you learn English?
My girlfriend taught me.
What's your favorite type of food?
I can't get enough of Korean food.
What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time.
How's the weather?
Gorgeous, a perfect summer day.
What time are you going to leave?
I'll probably give it another 30 minutes and then go home.
Do you have the time?
It's 4:30.
How's it going?
Great. Couldn't be better.
How are you feeling?
I'm all right.
How was your day?
Very productive.
Did you like the movie?
It's one of the best I've ever seen.
How was the party?
Small, but fun.
Can you give me a hand?
Sure, just a second.
What have you been up to lately?
I've been working a lot.
What's the matter?
I'd rather not talk about it.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine, thanks.
How do you live with?
I live with my parents.
Do you want to grab a bite to eat?
It depends. Where are you thinking of going?
What's the date today?
17th of October.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
Are you here with anybody?
I came with my best friend.
Are you hungry?
No. I'm full.
Do you need help?
Yes, please, if you don't mind.
Would you like to play a round of golf this weekend?
I'd like to, but I'm not free this weekend.
Have you been waiting long?
I've only just arrived.
So, what have you been up to lately?
What can I say? Nothing too exciting. Things are good.
How do you get to work?
I usually drive my car.
How long does it take?
It takes half an hour.
Could you tell me how to get to the police station?
Take the second road on the right.
Excuse me. Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
What's the best way to the museum?
Go across the bridge. Turn right. It's on Oliver Street.
What time does the meeting start?
The meeting will start at 9 a.m.
What time does the meeting finish?
The meeting will finish at 11 a.m.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to Japan last year for a business trip.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I often go sightseeing, take pictures.
Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour?
I love backpacking with my friends.
Do you have a favorite quote?
In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take.
Long time no see. Anything new since we last saw each other?
Same old, same old. Nothing new.
What kind of woman would you like to marry?
I'd like someone who's genuinely kind, has a sense of humor, and loves adventures.
How many cities have you lived in?
I've lived in 3 cities, including Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal.
What's your phone number?
I prefer to share my number after getting to know someone better.
What's something you do well?
Photography is something I excel at. Capturing moments is my passion.
Have you ever met a famous person?
Yes, I met a famous musician in New York during a concert.
What's your address?
I live near the Central Park downtown.
What's your mother like?
My mother is kind, creative, and supportive.
What is your goal in life?
To live a balanced life, grow, and explore the world.
What motivates you?
Setting and achieving personal goals.
How do you relax before bed?
Herbal tea and a good podcast.
An interesting fact about you?
I can name every country's capital.
What's an unusual talent you have?
I can mimic almost any accent after hearing it a few times.
What's the last thing you do at night?
Reflect on 3 good things that happened during the day.
What's a song that always lifts your mood?
Happy by Pharrell Williams. Impossible not to smile.
What's a habit you'd like to break?
Overthinking. Trying to live more in the moment.
What's a personal rule you never break?
Honesty. It's always the best policy.
What's your favorite thing about your home?
My reading nook. It's cozy and filled with natural light.
What's a film genre you usually avoid?
Horror. I'm just not a fan of getting scared.
What's an app you find really useful?
Evernote. Helps keep my thoughts and tasks organized.
What's a lesson you've learned from a mistake?
Not to spread myself too thin.
It's better to focus on a few things and do them well.
What's a song that brings back memories?
Yellow by Coldplay. It reminds me of my college days.
What's a habit that has improved your life?
Getting up early. It gives me more time to be productive and enjoy the day.
What's a piece of advice you frequently give?
Don't compare your life to others. Everyone's journey is unique.
What's new?
Just exploring new hobbies lately, especially urban gardening.
If your house burns down and you can only save 3 items, what would they be?
My passport, a family photo album, and my journal.
What is the biggest lesson you have learned from the past failure or success?
Persistence pays off. Every failure is just a step closer to success.
Do you prefer to have many friends or just a few close ones?
A few close ones. Quality over quantity for deeper connections.
What qualities do you value the most in a friend?
Honesty, empathy, and a sense of humor. They make any relationship stronger and more enjoyable.
What is your favorite type of gift to receive and to give?
Experiences like concert tickets or cooking classes. They create memories.
If you could try any job for a week, what would it?
A travel photographer. Capturing the beauty of different cultures and landscapes sounds amazing.